Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to set up studio lighting in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let me show my composition settings. Let's go to right click, composition settings, and background color yellow, and 3D render, advanced 3D render, and that's all. Let's click OK. And now let's go to choose 3D model, drag and drop into composition. And let's press R, change rotation, and press S, change scale, and move to down. So in this time, let's create ground for sea shadows. Let's right click, new and solid layer, add the name ground, and color, let's use eyedropper, choose background yellow color, and OK. Move to behind of 3D model and turn on 3D layer. If you don't see this part, you can click toggle switch mods. And now press R, change rotation -90, and move to down. Press S, change scale, like this, and move to back for Z-axis. Okay, in this time, let's create new light. Right click, new and light. I will choose light type environment and enable cast shadows. Click OK. So we can see shadow is enabled here, and now let's go to CT-EXR. This is HRI image. You can use this CT image from Blender Foundation folder and drag and drop into composition. And hide like this. Choose environment, open inside, light options, and go to search, choose CT-EXR. Nice. And now let's open solid layer. Let's open inside and go to material options. And as you can see, accept shadows. Let's click for only see shadows. And here we go, it works. So now let's create camera, and before let's change quality for quarter. And right click, new camera. Click OK and press C for control camera movements and change like this. And now we have endless background studio setup. So we can choose environment light. Let's open inside and light transform. We can change transform for change light target direction. And also like this. Okay. So in this time, let's change quality full. And we have two mods, cartoon style or realistic style. In this time, our 3D model fill shadows. Now let's choose this model, go to prepares, and we can see SF shadows. Let's choose off. And here we go. This is another style, like in cartoon style or toon style. Let's zoom to see details. Okay, very nice. I love this style, and we can create anime style animations with these settings. So let's back to quarter and hide this model. Go to bus station, drag and drop into composition, and again we can see it works. Let's change SF light turn off. Okay, this is really toon style. I love this style. Let's see. Okay, also we can see these shadows here. And let's enable this track. Move to here. And this move to left. And change scale. Okay, perfect. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.